Welcome back to the channel. This is Jamie McCracken.
If you're new here.
If you're new here, my name is Jamie McCracken. It's a beautiful day in Los Angeles.
What are those?
It's called fall colors. A, you're adorable. B, you're so beautiful. C, you're so cute and full of charm.
Ooh, ooh.
See, I can do a full marathon. I can ski too, look. D, you're a darling, and E, you're exciting, and F, you're the feather of my eyes, I think. G, you're so good to me. H, you're so heavenly. I, you're the one I idolize.
This is the Bridezilla attraction. And look who we got. The Bridezilla herself.
J, we're like Jack and Jill. K, you're so kissable. L, you're the love of my life. M, N, O, P, I can go on all day. Q, R, S, T, alphabetically speaking, you're okay.
Look who's getting in tonight.
What are you doing here?
I don't know.
I didn't even invite you here.
Oh.
You're just crashing against my layover.
And I already got a water?
Babe!
Oh my God. It's a strength training. A party. Come here. Oh my God. Finish it.
I don't know anymore.
Is that the Filipino alphabet?
No, That's an English alphabet song.
I've never heard of that.
Well, you weren't put in the right school.